Talk like strangers on the floor, both pretending we've been here before. Every word just fades to smoke, every promise halfway broke. And I don't need to hide the scars, they're just proof of who we are. You reach for me, I turn away, still I hope you want me to stay. Hurt so slow in your shadow glow. Love cuts deep, but I can't let go. We break apart just to feel whole. Hurt so slow, it saves my soul. It saves my soul. Your voice drips gold in the dark, still it trembles through my heart. We drown in quiet side by side, no words left, just compromise. Maybe healing looks like this, a quiet fall into the abyss. Every tear becomes a hymn, fading gently soft and dim. Oh, hurt so slow in your shadow glow. Love cuts deep, but I can't let go. We break apart just to feel whole. Hurt so slow, it saves my soul. Saves my soul. Don't speak, just breathe me in. Every ending's where we begin. Let the pain be what it is. I'll find a peace and disappear. Hurt so slow in the shadow, yeah. Love cuts deep, but I can't let go. In this silence, you pull me here. No need for words, no sound between. Just the warmth of what we mean. Every glance a quiet vow. Time moves slower here and now. Stay in the glow. Don't let it fade. This is the peace that love outside, can't wait tonight. We'll drift beneath this amber light. Each heartbeat hums a gentle tune, like midnight waves beneath the moon. No need to hide, no need to speak. Your touch is strong, my soul is weak. Every shadow melts away when you hold me, I'm okay. Oh, stay in the glow, don't let it fade. This is the peace that love has made. Nothing to chase, nowhere to go. Just you and me in the afterglow. Moments like this never stay, but the feeling won't decay. Even when the dawn will show, I'll still feel you in the glow. Stay in the glow, don't let it fade. This is the peace that love has made. Nothing to change, nowhere to go. Just you and me and the afterglow. Streetlights bleeding through my blind. Another night, another sign. Your name still echoes in my phone, but I'm laying here alone. The city hums a broken tune, midnight fading into blue. Every thought just circles back to the space we couldn't pass. I try to sleep but my mind stays wide. Your shadow's still right by my side. I tell myself I'm letting go, but the truth is I don't know. These lonely nights keep calling me, like your memory won't let me be. I hold my breath, I dim the lights. Just me and you in lonely nights. Cold air hanging in the room. Your sweater still smells like perfume. I replay words we never said. Every silence in my head, every sound just disappears, and I'm trying hard to feel okay. But your love still lingers, stays. I drink the dark, I chase the calm, chasing ghosts along my own. I say I'm fine, I say I'm alright, but you know how I get at night. These lonely nights keep calling me, like your memory won't let me be. and losing you runs deep in.